So many people have made tens of thousands of dollars with Instagram theme pages. Take a look at pages like these with so many followers with just few posts. You may think, wait, managing an Instagram takes so much work. And yes, before the rise of AI, it did, but not anymore. With AI, you can do this with less work and see similar results faster. Not to mention that this is one of the easiest ways to go viral and run on autopilot. No ads, not buying fake followers, or boosting your posts. In this video, I'll discuss Number 1. Picking your niche plus understanding viewer psychology. Number 2. How to easily create posts and reels fast and easy with AI. And Number 3. Ways to monetize this opportunity. First, you have to pick your niche. It's common to create theme pages around fitness, health, wealth, fashion, and travel, as those tend to be popular and easy to monetize. But really, you should pick a niche that you are interested in, since you'll be spending a lot of time on this topic. Make sure that the niche isn't too obscure or is no longer relevant, since you need to have a good amount of people out there that will take interest on the page. Before jumping into creating reels, we need to ask ourselves these 4 questions. Does my content keep people entertained? Inform someone of some skill or knowledge? Have a belief or a cause? Provide update on something they want to know about? Your content should answer at least one of these questions, because people on Instagram look for content that falls into one of these 4 categories: entertainment, informational, updates, or relatable content. If your category falls within these and that aligns with your followers' needs, it will provide value and surely attract viewers and engagement. Now, time to create reels and posts with the help of AI. I'll focus on a method that can quickly make posts in bulk. I'll use a travel-related channel as an example to show you how to do this. Let's first get our content. We will use ChatGPT and Bard to do this. Number 1. Go to ChatGPT and write a prompt. Get 30 different ideas for an Instagram page based on the top 5 countries. For example, top 5 largest countries by population. Put this into a chart format with the correct answers. Give each country rank a specific column and number the country as well. Example: number 1, Korea, number 2, Japan, etc. Number 2, after ChatGPT generates the content in the chart form, copy and paste this into an Excel sheet and download as a .csv file. You will also take this to Bard and ask it to fact check this, as ChatGPT doesn't have the latest information. Bard is by Google and utilizes the internet to verify information. Now we will take this confirmed content to create the post using Canva. Canva is free, but certain elements may only be available on the paid plan. You can try the paid plan for free for 30 days on a new account. I'll leave the link in the description. Now, let's start with a post. Number 1, go to Canva and then to templates and click Instagram posts. From here, you can choose any of the templates to edit or adjust any styling or content to fit your brand. For this example, let's pick this template. This will work perfectly, as the carousel will be great in showing the 5 different countries. Number 2, once you have the design you want, go to the apps and click Bulk Create. Upload your CSV file. It'll show 6 data fields because we have the question and 5 answers, making it 6 columns total. Number 3, now adjust the layout as you'd want your post to look like. After, you will right-click the text and click Connect Data. Click the text to the question and countries per page to fit the layout. Number 4, click Bulk Create again and it will give you an option to generate all. Now you will see all the posts created in this file. Make sure you go through each to make sure everything looks good, like text alignment and spacing. Number 5, export all of them to post to Instagram. Easy. Reels will essentially be the same, except you will be working with video files. Number 1, this time on Canva, click on a new template or new canvas with the spec set to 9:16. Number 2, add a background image by searching for videos in the Elements section, or download a video from any free content sites like pexels.com or unsplash.com. Number 3, create text elements on the screen to fit the layout you are envisioning. Like before, upload the CSV file and link each element. Number 4, go to the timeline below and adjust the timing of each element so that each country shows up after another. You can add animation to the element so it appears on the screen with some animations. Number 5. Since this is a video file, you can add some copyright-free music here, or you can add popular tunes that you've been hearing a lot on Instagram in the app when you upload this Reels post. Number 6, same as before, you bulk create. Review the assets and download to your computer. Lastly, having a large number of followers and a cool page will be even better if you can monetize from this opportunity. Many theme pages monetize either with these two methods, advertisement or sales. You can charge a fee for advertising a product, service, or even another account on your Instagram posts or story. Accounts in a similar related niche who want to have a bigger reach by utilizing your audience will reach out to you for a shout out or an ad post. So the bigger your account is and the better the engagement, you can charge more for the service. You can also sell things ranging from digital to physical. You can make it and forget it by selling digital products or a course. These generally take some work up front, but have a high margin, 90% or more, if you don't have the skills or time to create a digital product. You can have an affiliate link to a related product for a commission. If your following is strong, then you can also create merch, which can create a bigger sense of community and involvement amongst the followers. Monetize any inside jokes or particular phrases your community likes, and these can be great opportunities for merch that people are willing to pay for. Instagram theme pages are a great way to earn money online in 2023. It is definitely not going to happen overnight, but if you keep at it, consistently posting every day, looking at what your viewers like and provide value, your account will grow, and it will become a money-making machine. Let me know in the comments what kind of theme pages you'd like to make. Be on the lookout for the next video where I'll share more ways to easily bulk create content for your theme pages. Till next time, stay in the money loop.